that you breathe out of your lungs. It's also the air in something that's really good to drink. Who likes soda? What's your favorite kind of soda? Right there. What's your favorite kind of soda? Dr. Pepper. Yeah, Pepper's good. Anyone else? Favorite kind of soda right there in the yellow? Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. Great choices. What's the best part of soda? What's the best part? The flavor is good. I was hoping for another answer. Anyone else? The caffeine also. The fizzy part. That's what I was hoping for. The fizzy part is this gas right here. It's carbon dioxide. Now this, you notice I'm wearing a gloved hand because this is so cold that this would freeze my skin just if I touched it. So it's very important not to touch it. Because this is 109 degrees below zero. 109 degrees below zero. Is that colder than the North Pole? Yeah. You betcha. It's way colder than the North Pole. This is freezing, freezing cold. Why do they call this dry ice? Does anybody know? Why do they call it dry ice? What? Because you blow on it and that's kind of cool too. No, that's not how they call it dry ice. Right there.
Is it because it doesn't melt?
It is because it doesn't melt. High five for you from a long way off. Ready? Nice. All right. It is because it doesn't melt. It does something else altogether. What are the three? Oh, we're upset. What are the three states of matter? Can anyone tell me? What are the three states of matter? Liquid is one. Can I have another one? Solid is another. Liquid, solid, and right there in the glasses. Gas. Liquid, solid, and gas. Now, what's it called when you stick something in the freezer? What happens to water when you stick it in the freezer?
It freezes.
Yeah, it freezes, right? So it goes to a solid. From a liquid, right? No, it's not freezing the table. The table doesn't have this thing, so it's okay. So you freeze something. What happens when you put water on the stove? What's that called when it turns into gas?
Gas.
Anyone? Anyone? Yeah. Evaporation. Very good. But this right here, like some very astute person said, doesn't melt. It turns straight from solid to gas, which is called sublimation. Can I hear you say it? Sublimation. Say it with really excitement and a little bit of a dance. Sublimation. 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 Sublimation is skipping the step of liquid. If this melted, or doesn't melt, it's sublimate. If this completely dissolved into air, and it was all in the carbon dioxide gas instead of carbon dioxide solid, there wouldn't be any puddles, because it doesn't melt. It doesn't melt at all. It just turns straight to gas. Which is a pretty cool thing, if you ask me. What? What about outside? Same thing? It might go faster, but it doesn't melt. It never melts. It's kind of crazy, huh? All right, I've got a little bit of water. What do you think would happen if I put in a little bit of water? Anybody have any ideas?
That's hot water.
It might melt? No, it might sublimate really fast, though.
The water will just freeze.
The water will freeze? That's possible. Actually, let's do that first since you mentioned it. I like the way you think. I've got a spoon right here. It is a spoon. Very good. I ate my breakfast off this spoon. I ate some Cheerios. I like Cheerios. It's good stuff. Yeah? You like Cheerios too? It's good stuff. Nutritious and delicious. All right. I've got some water in here. Please certify that this is water, right? You have water too. It is hot water. It's true. So it'll take a little bit longer. I'm pouring some water in a spoon. Oh, right hand for right flow. I'm going to freeze this water in this spoon in less than a minute. I know. Because it's hot, it'll take a little bit longer. Let's start to freeze. Nothing's happened quite yet. Working on it. Makes a lot of noise, huh? Yeah. We'll get it frozen in just a second. It's freeze, you guys see it? It's like a pond. Don't touch it, the ice one's good. Remember you promised me.
Oh yeah.
You did make it.
thermostat, or what do you call the bulbs that you put in for testing like freezer the temperature.
Oh yeah.
So to zero it out, like you have to put in a couple water ice and water to get to 32 degrees there.
You know, I have no idea.
Obviously, can you do that with dry ice?
Yeah, I don't know. Sorry. That's a great question. I'll have to look that up. In case you guys didn't notice, this is completely frozen. You can even see the frost on the backside. That was water, and now it's completely ice because this is how cold. Does anybody remember? Not quite. A little bit more. Oh, that's just condensation from the air. We're good. 109 degrees below zero, right there. And this is definitely 32 degrees. It's frozen ice. Alright, I'm going to go thaw out my breakfast spoon. But you might have noticed something else that happened when we put the spoon on there. Now this one's room temperature. What's all this squealing about? What's that about? Anybody have any ideas?
It's so cold.